Hey my Rhapsody fam, welcome back to my channel. This is Priyanka and as the title says, in today's video I'm going to show you my favorite toners. Now toners are meant to be tighten your pores and make them less visible. So if you have open pores, like I have so much texture and open pores on my skin. I had chicken pox in 2014 or 15, so I had so chicken pox leaves a little bit texture behind, and I also had pimples since 2019, but now I do not have any kind of pimple problem. But yes, the texture skin that the pimple usually leave behind is there. So since I have started using toners, I can see a clear difference. So yes, if you are not using a toner, then start using it, because it just not only prevent your skin from open pores but also make your skin feel hydrated and look hydrated, and it will make you feel fresh. So yes, start using it. And the toners I am going to show you in today's video are for all skin types, so don't worry, no matter what skin type you are, you will find your favorite out of these. Now before we dive into this video, make sure that you are following me on my Instagram, because there I upload so many videos that I do not upload here. And now with that being said, let's dive right in this video. The first toner that I have to show you guys has been my favorite for a very long time, and this is Biotique Bio Cucumber Pore Tightening Toner with Himalayan water. This is for normal to oily skin type, so no matter what skin type you are, you can use it clearly. And I will read out the ingredients are written over here. And this has daru haldi root, dhania fruit, maju phal, peppermint oil, kheera gel. And if you are sensitive to smell guys, and this will bother you a little bit, because it has citric acid, citric smell, which is a little bit strong for people who have problem to smell. So yes, this will bother you a little bit, but when it comes to its performance, then yes, it is a beautiful toner guys. It little bit green in the color, and as you can see, it is completely water like consistency. So yes, now guys, the right way to use a toner are many different ways, but the way I like to use my toner is I just take little bit on my palm and just apply it on my fingers. Now so many people take it on a cotton pad or a cotton ball and just wipe their face out, and they do it because if there is any dirt or impurities left after cleansing their face, the toner will take it out. But since I wash my face exactly for 60 seconds, and I have told you so many times, if you have not seen my videos, I have made a full-fledged video on that as well, so I'm going to link it right about here on the I button so you can watch it later. But finish this video first. I cleanse my face for 60 seconds, and that is why there is no chance to left any impurities behind after cleansing my face. So what I do, I take it little bit on the toner, I'll take little bit on my palm and just dab with my fingers and let it dry it naturally. Once it is dry 70 to 80%, I apply moisturizer, because this is the right way to apply any toner or moisturizer. Make sure that your skin is little bit damp whenever you apply a toner or a moisturizer. So yes, make sure that your skin is little bit damp. And coming back to this toner, this is one of my beautiful toner, and I love this. Using this, I have used this so many times. This is like, I do not remember the exact number. I have finished the bottle of this toner. If you have open pores, then give this a go. This will tighten your pores a lot more and make them less visible. The next toner that I have for you guys is from the brand Pure Rose Floral Water by Deve Herbs, and this is such an amazing product guys. I cannot tell you. If you know me for a while now, then you know that I love to use rose waters as my toner and mists. So I love rose waters in any which way. I can use it in so many different ways, and I like to use rose water. Once in the morning when I wake up, I wash my face with the water and split some little bit rose water, and as you can see, it has nothing left, and in it I have just kept this bottle just to show you in this video. And this is such an amazing product guys. I cannot tell you. I will keep saying that this way, that this is an amazing product. You should give it a try. The one thing that I would like to tell you about this brand and this particular product is whatever Deve Herbs mentions in their bottle. So if it says pure rose floral water, then definitely is just water and rose petals. So yes, it is 100% pure rose water. Sorry, if it is 100% pure rose water, so give this a go and you will love this brand. And there are so many things that I've tried from this brand: the vitamin E oil, the licorice powder. I love all the product that I have tried from this brand till now, and rose water is one of them. Love this product a lot. Now moving on to the next one. This is Kama Ayurveda Pure Rose Water, and I love this. I kind of like this product, but the one problem that I have with this product, again, this has nothing left. I have used completely, and there are two problems that I have with this brand. One, this rose water has a little bit, weird smell. I did mention it in my Amazon haul video where I showed this to you, so I completely finished it, but it has a weird smell. I don't know what smell is that. It says that it is completely rose water, like 100% pure rose water. I don't know what other ingredient it has, which has weird smell. So yes, it bothered me for a minute or two, and then yes, when it comes to performance, it is a very beautiful rose water, guys. It is a very beautiful toner, guys. It does tighten up your pores and definitely hydrates your skin. You know me, I have just said that I love rose water as toner and as my mist. So yes, I love this one as well when it comes to performance, when it comes to smell. But yes, as a performer, yes, it is a good, nice product. But the another problem that I mentioned, that I have two problems with this rose water. The another problem that I have is this is an expensive product, guys. For me, this bottle is for 300, not worth it. It is little bit on expensive side, since I believe that affordability is subjective. But for me, this is little bit expensive for my expectations. If I'm spending 300 for a rose water, I would expect a little bit extra than this. So yes, otherwise amazing product. Price अगर साइड कर दो, smell अगर साइड कर दो, तो definitely a go product. Now let's move on to the next product, guys. I have Good Vibes Pomegranate Glow Toner. Okay, I just, like I said, for this is a huge bottle, guys. As you can see, this is a little bit huge bottle. Then this one, you can compare the size. It is almost double. So yes, this is again a very beautiful product. Hydrates my skin a lot and gives me a little bit glow. And if it says glow toner, then yes, it is glow toner. However, it does not tighten up my pores that much, but yes, for glow and hydration, this is amazing product, guys. Give it a go. If you do not have so much upper pores problem, then this is a very nice product, and you can definitely use this as your mists and as your setting spray. So you can definitely use this after applying your makeup. So if you want to set your makeup with this, definitely go. I have used this one as well in past, and I definitely like this one. I have also used the rose wala version, and I love that also. The problem that I have with the toner from Good Vibes is that their fragrance are too strong for me. I know it is really fruity. This smells really fruity and like, how can jelly straw, the red jelly, it smells exactly like that. The red jelly, it smells exactly like that, and so it bothers me a little bit. So if you like the fruity smell, you can definitely try this. You will not dislike this, and for hydration purpose, it is a very nice product. Now the next two toners that I have to show you guys are my personal DIYs. I don't know if anyone else have you make them on any social media platform or not, but I did show one of those on my YouTube. I am going to link that video right about here so that you can watch that. So now the first DIY is cucumber and aloe vera gel. So what you have to do, just grate the cucumber, and you can use the pulp for raita or anything else, but grate the cucumber and keep out the extract and just pour it into a bottle or wherever you want to contain it, and just add a little bit of aloe vera gel and mix them properly, and just you can keep that for a week in refrigerator. Make sure that you are keeping it in a refrigerator, and then you can definitely use this. I would use that toner for a very long time, and I definitely loved it when I was running out of toners during the lockdown because I could not buy anything else. I was using that toner only, and I loved that. It does tightens my pores a lot more than any other toner. I love that toner for a very long time. I use that. I still use it whenever I am running out of toner, because right now I have these two. It does give me a lot of glow on my face. So yes, you can definitely try this and you will definitely love that toner. The next DIY toner, guys, I have for you is with licorice and water. You just need two ingredients, licorice and water. So the licorice powder is mulethi. So if you have mulethi ki dandi, mulethi root, you can definitely, mulethi stem, then you can definitely use that as well. But I would prefer to use mulethi powder or licorice powder. Just what you have to do, just take a little bit water and boil it, and add little bit of mulethi powder in it and boil it for a minute or two. Once the mulethi powder has conveyed its properties and everything, the every goodness it has to water, then you can just strain it out, contain it in a bottle, keep it in the refrigerator, let it cool down for a while, and split it on your face. If you have any kind of burning sensation, use that one. The other one, the first one that I've showed you, is also very good for any kind of inflammation and irritation on your skin. So I used to have this kind of itching on my face during the lockdown. So yes, I did try that cucumber one for a very long time, and I love that as well. And this one is also my favorite that I've created using the Deve Herbs licorice powder. So yes, you can also use that, or if you can use any brand's licorice powder or mulethi powder you want to use. I am just telling you what licorice powder I was using. So I will definitely link everything down in the description box below, so it will be easier for you if you want to buy anything. And yes, use that licorice powder licorice toner, and you will love that. If you have any kind of sunburn, and if you have any kind of tanning, then go for this one. You will love it definitely. The next toner that I have for you guys, I don't have that physically, but I did compare that with my Deve Herbs rose water, and that is wild organic rose water. And I did a video, full-fledged video reviewing this and that product, comparing both of these, and there was no comparison between this and that because both are superbly amazing, and I love that so much that I'm definitely going to buy that again. But that is always and always out of stock. That is only for 175 rupees. You get a lot of quantity and you can use that for 2 months and more than that. I used to use it for twice in a day, like not twice, thrice in a day. Once one after waking up, then definitely after taking a shower, and at the night after you doing my skincare. So yes, I did use that for a very long time, and I love that toner from Wild Organic Rose Water. I love that. It gives me a hell lot of glow on my skin, and I literally love using that. The next toner that I have to show you guys, I was in a dilemma that should I or should I not show it to you, because I do not have very great reviews about that. Not even very great, I do not have any great or any positive review about that particular product and that toner. And I have spoken that about it already on my platform, on my YouTube, and I don't know why I want to show you, because other influencers have so much great reviews about that, and if you want to spend in it and if you are using it, maybe that's good for you. But for me it did not work at all, and that is plum green tea toner. And this is alcohol free toner, and I don't know why I do not have really good reviews about it. So to use this, you have to shake it, and any toner, make sure that you shake it before you use it. And if you see the consistency, it is completely water, and it will run out like a water. And this is a water, just a water to me, that gives me burning sensation. So I have spoken about this problem to the brand, and they did came up with the solution with an answer that this will give you a burning sensation since it has glycolic acid in it. Having said that I asked so many people to give this a go and they do not have any kind of problem using this. Their skin doesn't burn, but my skin does, and that is why I do not like it, because it nowhere mentions. And not only that, this doesn't give me any kind of results, guys. So neither it tightens my pore, not it cleanse my pore any which way. So yes, for me it's complete waste of money, but there are so many other influencers who have spoken so much great about this. So if you are a person who have been using it, then please give it a go. Keep using it. If you are not using it, I'm not asking you to invest your money on this, because it will be a complete waste according to me, and that is only my opinion, guys. If you are using it and liking it, then please keep going with this, but for me, nah. And with this, it's a wrap, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you do, then please give it a thumbs up and make sure that you subscribe to my channel, and also hit the notification bell so that you are notified whenever I'm on YouTube. And make sure that you are following me on my Instagram, because there I upload so many videos that I do not play here. So make sure that you are following me on my Instagram as well. And if you buy anything out of these products that I've showed you, make sure that you tag me on my Instagram. You know the handle name. If you don't, it will be on the screen and also in the description box below. So make sure that you tag me, and if you have any kind of queries or questions to me, then please leave them down in the comment section below, and I will see you in my next video. Till then, guys, bye bye.